Visually inspect the roof to assess the quality of the roof coating. If there are signs of the coating flaking, blistering or delaminating, grind off the coating using a flapper disc or non-woven preparation wheel in areas where the aluminium rails or brackets will be bonded. Mark out where the rails should be bonded. Insert Crestabond cartridge into dispensing gun. Dispense a small amount of adhesive to level the plungers and remove any air from the cartridge. Attach static mixer to cartridge and dispense a small amount of adhesive onto scrap material to ensure proper mix ratio and all air has been removed. Apply Crestabond to the marked bond area on the roof. Place brackets onto the application area and ensure it is level. Apply pressure to the rail to squeeze out excess adhesive. Crestabond's handling strength develops within 15 to 20 minutes at an ambient temperature of 18 to 25 degrees Celsius. Solar panels can be installed after the fixture time of 20 minutes at an ambient temperature of 18 to 25 degrees Celsius. Refer to the Crestabond technical datasheet for relevant working and fixture times. Using K2 universal end clamp, install the first solar PV panel. Continue installation using the K2 universal mid clamp 1 on the aluminium rails. Install end clamp once final solar PV panel is in place.